everybody. Today, me and all my new friends here are going to the Elite Tuner We're going to the Elite Tuner Show in Orlando. I haven't been to an Elite Tuner Show since I went to the one in Irwindale in, I think, May of 2021. So this will be a lot of fun. We have Josh here, the Ralph Macchio doppelganger. This is a Q60?
Q60 Red Sport. I just upgraded the injectors, got it retuned, so I'm pushing 503.
Of course you are.
Horsepower, and now I'm pushing 557 torque.
That's...
I wanted to go to street heat, but rain, because I wanted to see what I could do on the track now.
Yeah.
All-wheel drive, so I just put some Pilot Sport, Super Sport on the back, so I wanted to see how those would fit.
Yeah, I bet this thing frickin' moves, dude. That's awesome.
It does.
So let me show you what else we have here, guys. Obviously, we have this piece of crap Type R right there. We have Jose's hatch. We have Alex's Type R. And then we have, I'm very sorry I forget your name, but we have another sport hatch right here. A GTI that is tuned on 93. I would love to get a run in with that. It looks like a Mark 6. And then we have Chase's Type R here.
Oh yeah.
And of course, Vivian's son is holding the fort. Okay, you guys know how much I've wanted to race a Challenger Scat Pack, like since I got this car, or since I got it tuned. Of course, there's one right there. And also, of course, it's raining. So, definitely not a good idea to race on these nice Mexican roads. The boys are getting swirly. Oh, look at this boost blue. That car is so awesome. You don't have to record all of this.
So do I stop?
Can you phone for me just for a second, and I'll take it away? Yo! So, we're outside of the event. The event is at this place called Desertland, whatever you call it. I don't know. It's in Orlando. It's really cool inside. I'll show you guys that when we get in there. But there's a lot of really, really cool stuff out here. That's a Honda Beat. That's actually Vivian's favorite car that she's seen today. She says she wants me to get her one. It's true. She's trying to act cool on camera. What's your favorite car out here? Let's go walk back in. You tell me what your favorite car is. I don't know what that white van is. I love that thing.
That van's not even like modded or anything.
It doesn't have to be modded. It's just really cool.
I wasn't even sure if I said that.
I like that Evo too. That's nice. That's nice. I also like this Vivian here. That's a specimen of a woman.
Wow. Not a pack mule? Wow.
You're also my pack mule, yes. Just carrying all my stuff right now.
No Challengers here.
No Challengers. Yeah, you're gonna see mostly like JDM stuff at these events.
Oh.
It's just the way the cookie crumbles, baby.
Whoa.
Whoa, watch out, watch out.
What?
Whoa, look at that thing. I love it. I don't know what the heck that is. Is that a Honda? Is that a Honda? Yeah. Oh, yeah, dude. That is so cool, dude. Where can I get one of those? Where can I get one of those?
Look at the color of the wheels on this.
You like those wheels?
Yeah, I like the color. That's cool.
Do you want me to get you a 4-door sports car? You can mod it out?
No, I want a Jeep.
You want a Jeep? Wrangler?
You can mod that out.
I mean, I guess. Okay, guys, can someone please tell me what the hell these things are? There's two of these little vans here. There's nothing, there's no like logos on them. I have no idea who, like what company made these. These are super cool. What do you think, babe?
What?
You want one?
I want a big one, not a halvesy one.
Vivian thinks they look like mini Volkswagen buses. Like they're like cut in half.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what they are. Maybe this is totally custom. I don't know. Because the front definitely looks like a Volkswagen bus. I don't know. Somebody please tell me what the hell these things. Can you take a video of me like staying next to it? Because I need to see how like. Come over here.
Yeah, it's literally like half.
Look how small this thing is.
It's half of a bus.
What is this?
Maybe like the big buses are like 8-seaters, and this is just like a 5.
This looks like a 4-seat. Look at the inside.
No, because they probably took the 2 front seats out. Well, you can't see
the 2 front teeth out. Took the 2 front
There's a little bench back there, and I'm pretty sure there was a 2 seats up front.
Whatever this is really cool.
There's another one.
I don't know. Look at the inside. You can see this one better.
Oh, but no. So this isn't. Maybe they're 2-seaters. Somebody was eating Hershey Kisses in it.
Dude, I don't know what this is. This is super cool though. I want one.
Tow-mater.
It's what?
It's Tow-mater.
Tow-mater? It's from Cars? I love this little thing. Guys, I like weird stuff like this. Oh, wait, that's Tow-mater. I didn't know what you were pointing at. What's up, everybody? That is Vivian and my mother-in-law right behind me. We are at Coquina Beach, all the way down here at the bottom of Bradenton Beach. So Anna Maria Island, I guess this still is. Anyway, I rented a golf cart today, a 4-seater Yamaha, gas-powered. It is so much fun. We've been ripping that thing around all day long, but I want to show you this. This is beautiful. This is the bottom of Coquina Beach. Gorgeous. Like this is the new spot. I was telling Vivian, we haven't really been Florida-ing all that hard. This definitely feels like we're taking advantage of being in Florida. The sunsets here are pretty crazy too, that's why we're here. But yeah, for the past couple nights, we've been staying at a super nice Airbnb in Bradenton Beach. Next time my family comes down, we know exactly where to go. There's all these boats. Renting a boat next time would be sick too. Vivi and I went all the way up from Bradenton Beach yesterday to the tip top of Anna Maria Island in the golf cart, and she had a blast. She didn't want to drive, she just wanted to sit here and chill. So my mother-in-law and I went on a little ride this morning, and I come back and Vivian had been looking at listings of used golf carts that we can buy. Let's go for a rip. I have to turn it back in, unfortunately. Go down for reverse, and just frickin'... Oh, I didn't turn it on. Here we go. Let's go, brother. Right to the floor. Dude, this thing is sick. I want one of these so badly. I mean, we just got those scooters, which we're gonna use those scooters as well. But a golf cart, like a 4-seater like this, we could take this to Walmart. We could go run errands that are close to the house with this. It's just a lot of fun. This one only goes 21 miles an hour, so I'll show you guys that when I get on the main road. This is the Airbnb that we were staying at. Let me show you. It's the yellow one right here with the white Silverado out front. So I'm just gonna pull in right here. I need to throw the trash away. All right, let's rock and roll. Got a little blinker here. This thing is street legal, of course. But the cool thing about being where we are in Riverview, they have like a widened sidewalk all the way down 301. So I see people all the time taking their golf carts to and from Walmart, for example. I don't know, I would just love it. This thing just gets a little sketchy though when it's windy out, because this is all open up here and it kind of throws around a little bit. Oh, here's another one. She's like, why is this guy recording me? I'll tell you what though, Anna Maria Island, a lot of people around here that from our experience are not very friendly. Almost had to get in a fight with the guy today, but I decided to drive past him. He pulled up. I'll tell you guys the story later, but yeah, there's a lot of assholes around here. Freaking Yamaha, dude. This thing gets it. When we do buy a golf cart, I should say, we are going to get a gas-powered one, for sure. I don't want an electric one. The electric scooters are cool, but for a golf cart, you get that wonderful smell of that little, whatever CC motor this is. This one probably has a governor on it because it's a rental. That's why it only goes 21 miles an hour. Oh, is that Vivian behind me? I don't think it is. Oh, there's Vivian. Right there. I'm gonna honk at her. Oh, she's going! Damn it. Alright, I'm holding up traffic. I'm gonna let these guys pass me. Flooring it all the way around this turn, dude. Oh, we're good. We're good. Vivian, I just passed by her. Vivian was supposed to be following me to drop off the golf cart, but she went there, there's no parking, so she has to drive around. Now I'm chasing her down. She's gonna be so pissed that I'm not going, that I'm going the wrong way. There she is. Technically, in my defense, we have until 1 p.m. and it's only 9:40. Look at her. Dude, I love this. We need one of these ASAP. Guys, if you're in the Tampa area or Orlando, wherever, and you know a good place to buy used golf carts, or if you are selling one yourself, let me know, please. Send me a DM on Instagram.
Hey, what are you doing? Why do you look so cute all the time? You look so cute and you're so kissable, but you don't like when Daddy gives you kisses on your face. Why is that? Yes, look at this very soft kitty.
So this video was basically a whole week in review. Today is Sunday at 7:11 p.m. You guys are gonna see this in about an hour. Today, actually, I drove up to Fred Howard Park Beach. And it's like north of Clearwater. It's a little island, it's really cool, but I reviewed this guy's car there. His name's Jesse. It's a 10-gen Civic Si. It was very strange getting back into a 10-gen Civic Si, but you guys will see that video. Nice chill video. But the Elite Tuner event was awesome. It was a lot of fun. I mean, we didn't really do much. We didn't take advantage of the bumper cars or the go-karts or the bowling or anything else like that. We pretty much spent the whole time just talking to people. There were a few people that we didn't go with that came up to me and said, hey, you know, I watch your channel. There's actually a girl that came up to me and said, hey, I watch your videos. That was awesome. She and Vivian like had a little moment for a second, which was cool. That was so cool. Like I never have girls that come up and say that they watch my videos. If you are watching this, I totally forget your name. Vivian and I were trying to remember your name on the drive home, because I said that was so cool like 3 times yesterday. But yeah, comment down below if that was you. That was really nice. And I got to see Ranger as well. Ranger owns, he started and he owns that whole entire company, Elite Tuner. He says he's gonna actually be moving down here, so that'd be awesome. I'm sure we could, you know, collaborate more often if he lived nearby. But yeah, thank you to all the guys who came out and drove up there with us. You know, if it wasn't raining and also if the I-4 wasn't a complete shit show of a highway, we could have had some more fun. But I have my radar detector now, so my stunt driver is ready. If you're in this area and you want to go at it, dude, I don't even care if it's going to be a blowout. I just want to make that sort of content, like ASAP. That's really all I have though, guys. Thank you for watching my videos as always, and I will see you on Tuesday. Have a good night. Hello everybody. Today we are going to the Elite Tuner Show in Orlando. Vivian's with me. This is super exciting. So we just pulled up to the Target parking lot in Brandon, Florida. And we have 3 additional Type Rs here. That's awesome.
What's up, man?
How's it going, man?
How you doing? Alex.
Alex?
Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yes, sir. Pleasure.
Nice Type R.
Thank you, thank you.
I like it.
You know, this is nice though, man. You got the wheels, you got everything going on.
How's it going, Cameron? Chase. Chase? Alex? Chase? Cool.
And you liked my post the other day on Facebook about like a couple days ago, because I finally got the Phearable tool. And I was kind of like,
okay.
Yeah, I saw you like it. I was like, oh, dang, he liked it.
Yeah, I remember you posting that. Yeah.
Yeah, that was me.
I lurk on that Facebook group. I don't ever post anything, but I
you're
check
just
it
there,
out.
right? Yeah, you're just there. I mean, same for me. I don't really post that much, but I had to, man, because that Phearable tool, it really, you know, it picks the car up the way it should be.
Yeah. No, it's nice.
Yeah.
Definitely too much power to floor it in this weather, for sure.
Right. Yeah.